toa gia kwanza, huwezi simamisha kama haijatoa gia. Guys, we have already finished to do everything that we were supposed to do. We have already finished restoring the tractor. You remember the last time we were here, we were struggling a lot to take it to the vehicle, and right about now we have seen all along how we have been restoring it, and we have managed to bring it back. We have done the demo, and as you can see, it's really nice right about now. These are the guys who are supposed to be operating it now, from now on. So yeah, man, thanks for watching, and this is Rotich the Legend, aka the Kingpin Engineer Namurai. Until we meet next time in another video. Bye.